Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 1 of my Jamaica trip. Come with me on my birthday getaway to Jamaica. I booked my stay through my travel agent Christina, and I'm staying at the RIU Palace, which is a perfect birthday celebration. Let me show you what my room looks like because it's giving luxury and relaxation. If you want a closer look at everything the RIU Palace has on their property and more behind the scenes moments, please check out my full vlog on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure to donate to the Sandals Foundation to help support local communities while traveling. I'll see y'all in the next video.